Mossy, oh, ain't no Mossy Joe. Other gear leaves that pocketbook show. Coming and out, oh, that's Mossy, oh. Camouflage clothes, but you won't go broke.
We got a couple multi-tools to talk about from our friends at Mossy Oak. When you're building out an EDC kit, it's important to remember you don't have to put yourself into bankruptcy. When it comes to the International Institute of Inexpensive Items, Mossy Oak is definitely one of our favorite brands. This little fella is the 12-in-1 multi-tool pocket knife, and this is the 21-in-1 outdoor survival multi-tool. Let's check them both out.
Let's do this!
12-in-1, baby. Let's first talk about the hardware. This is looking pretty good. Out here on this side, you got yourself a pretty decent pocket knife. I'm not even gonna joke with you. This thing is sharp as hell. That's sharp enough to do some Jean-Claude Van damage. It's not super easy, but you can get a one-handed deployment going. On the other side, on the outside, you've got a very generous pair of scissors. Look at this. That is a pretty gigantic pair of EDC scissors. How do they cut? Pretty fantastic, actually. Mossy Oak, they ain't no joke. On the tool side, you can see they've got some ruler markings, and then the first obvious tool is this pretty nice little bit holder over here. Comes with a double-sided bit. It works with a detent ball, so I don't know if this is going to work with your Weehaw bits and other bits. It definitely will work with this bit. Time for everyone's favorite game. Will it work with Weehaw? You know? No, it won't. On this side, you do have an awl with a thread loop. There is a back lock here to close all these parts. You just squeeze that down and they shut. In addition to the awl, which is all that and then some, you've got a large slotted screwdriver, you've got a small slotted screwdriver, and you've got yourself a bottle opener, can opener, and an included wire stripper. And of course, you've got a very generous, very solid pocket clip. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie. This is something that I think would go very well into an EDC pouch or just directly into your pocket for an everyday carry. This is also something that would go really well in a glove compartment for you to keep in your car for some emergency tools on the go. Mossy Oak was kind enough to throw in this lovely little pouch. It's got a little belt loop on the back, so you can keep your multi-tool free of dirt and debris. Not too shabby. It's the Mossy Oak 12-in-1 multi-tool with pocket knife, and it is pretty fantastic. Jesus H, yikes, look at the chonk factor on this friggin' multi-tool. This is the Mossy Oak 21-in-1 outdoor survival multi-tool. And this mother effer is quite a beast. I'm gonna tell you right now, there is some heft on this bad boy. Brothers and sisters in Christ, look at the size of this frickin' thing. It is a thick boy, and these spring-loaded pliers are no joke. I feel like you could squeeze the crap out of this and it would not break. Very solid. Damn, look at the lines, look at the way this thing is designed, look at the way it shimmers in the light. This is a pretty freaking cool looking multi-tool. Let's dig into the tool set and see what kind of functionality we're dealing with here. On the outside, big tools. You got yourself a pretty decent sized pocket knife. The lock is controlled right here so you can put it back in. Look at this thing. This is pretty dang nice. How sharp is the pocket knife? It's pretty sharp. On the other side, you've got yourself a very substantial file. Yeah, that's a pretty good file right there. There's a ruler on that side. On the other handle, you've got a big, fat saw. You've also got another blade, except this one is serrated. That is a mean looking blade right there. You could cut through all kinds of stuff with that. The design is pretty badass. All of the tools are accessible from the outside. On the same side as the serrated blade, you've got kind of a standard multi-tool tool set. You've got a large slotted screwdriver with a bottle opener. You've got a small slotted screwdriver with a can opener. This is also like a box cutter here, I think. Look at that's kind of got a beveled edge on it. It's kind of sharp, actually. You could cut yourself, I think. And in the middle, you've got an awl with a thread hole. Again, I've never used an awl, but I think bushcrafters and people that work with leather would appreciate that. And then over on this side, what is this? And holy shit. Oh my God, guys, it locks in at 90 degrees. It's a bit holder. That is freaking fantastic. Now, it does come with a sheath and these kind of big double-sided bits. It's got a big and a little flathead. It's got a big and a little Phillips. It's got even smaller Phillips and a small flathead, like if you wanted to get at your glasses or something. And then it's also got a T10 and T15 Torx bit. And look at this. The bit holder locks in at 90 degrees. That's kind of awesome, actually, because that means that you could get down in there and get some extra torque. And then, of course, it pops all the way out so you can go straight at the problem as well. It doesn't stow away with a bit installed. I definitely like this bit holder. I love the fact that it locks out at 90 degrees. I really do wish though that you could store it with a bit installed in it so that you could just grab it, pop it out and use it. But that's not necessarily a deal breaker. At least the bits do store nicely in the front of the pouch. This material here is kind of a flexi elastic material, so it's easy to pull these out and push them back in. The multi-tool itself fits in there quite nicely. And I mean, I'll be honest, this thing feels heavy frickin' duty. This is not a lightweight multi-tool. This is definitely something that you could use and abuse. And for real, y'all, these pliers are actually pretty frickin' solid. The spring is very springy and they feel like you could really bear down on something and not really injure the plier head. These cutters actually feel pretty damn sharp. You want to talk about affordability? The price of beef might be high right now, but you're not going to have any beef with Mossy Oak when you realize that this guy is 17 bucks and this guy is 28 bucks. As far as bang for your buck is concerned, there's a lot of friggin' bang for your bucks right here. It's the 12-in-1 EDC multi-tool and the 21-in-1 outdoor survival multi-tool from Mossy Oak. Links are in the description. Carry what you want.